To remove background from an image, what you do is import the image you want to remove background from. So let me get one image and get my picture. So assuming I want to remove background from this particular picture, I'll drag it here. So first of all, and then I'm going to like edit this photo, play around with all the features available for photo editing on CapCut, and then export it. So what I'm going to do right now is to retouch it. So to retouch, I need to click on this retouch, and this is going to make my face smoother than what it is or what it was. So let me zoom so that you can see more clearly. So let me make this smooth, like very smooth, so you can tell me the difference. This is very beautiful. Yeah, so cool, so cool. So, and then if my teeth is not white enough, I can come here and make it whiter, and then by increasing it here. Wow, she's looking so beautiful. Okay, so oh, this is whitening. This is actually the teeth white. Oh, I was actually making my face white, so I have to undo that. So this is the teeth whitening. So let me go back to the way it was. Yeah, this was making the picture white. So this is where you make your the teeth white. So now, as we are good with that retouch, I think I'm pretty good with the rest of the photo. So, but the other features here you want to look at if you want your face to be smaller, work on your nose, other features here, you can just select them and then it will give you what you want. So later on, we are going to like compare the two photos before and after the editing. And then if you come over here, you will see auto remover. So this has removed my background. So the next thing I want to do is let me see, let me go to basic. So if we go to basic, we go to Canva, and then we go to color. So if you click on color, you can now we can now select a background for this. So I don't like this too sharp. So let's try this out. This is not looking bad. So this looks like no. So this is looking like nope. This is fair enough, but not that good. So let's see if we get to see a better background. Okay, this is not looking bad as well. These are so cool. So yeah, so just imagine, wow, how easy it was to just imagine how easy it was to just change my background, and I can increase the size of this image so that I can drag it up. Yeah, so assuming I want to use this now, you would think I did this photo from a studio or something like that. So assuming this is what I want, I can just, all I need to do is, let me see if I can increase it further so that the image can come up higher. Okay, yeah, so this is cool, this is okay. So assuming I'm good with this, you see how easy it was for me to just move background. This is something that would have taken me a longer time if I was using maybe something like Photoshop to do. So how smooth my face is now looking compared to the original photo. So now from here I can when you want to export your image, you don't use export. This one is for video. So to export it, I just need to click on export frame, and this is going to export this photo for me. So as you can see, you can already tell which of the photo is looking better. And this is looking as if I went to a studio to take this photo, and this one is not bad, but this is looking better. So yeah, that's how you edit photo and export it using CapCut. So if you have enjoyed this video, please do it to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.